In this tutorial, we'll be having a look at the B Melodic Minor Scale, which is still the relative of the D major scale, but now we'll be raising the 6th and 7th, going up, and returning them to their original pitch, coming down. Our accidentals are still F sharp and C sharp, but going up we'll be playing G sharp and A sharp, and coming down just observing the key signature of the scale. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel, like my video, especially if you're new, and check that bell notification for any future videos. Let's get started. Right hand first, 1 octave. As you can see, when I go up, I've got all 3 of the black keys right here. Coming down, I need to return the A sharp and the G sharp again to its original pitch. Left hand, 4. Hands together. An easy one to get underneath the fingers. For 2 octaves, we'll be copying and pasting those fingering. Right hand first. Bit of a memory game. Remember to memorize the difference. Left hand. And then hands together. As this is part of Hanon, we'll be doing this for 4 octaves with a repeat, starting nice and low. At the end of the exercise, we have a cadential progression. It's optional, but good to learn as well. Let's have a look at this, how this one works. Starting with our thumb and fourth at the bottom, we're going to come up to E in the left. We're going to have C sharp, G and B in the right. Hopping on to F sharp in the left, we'll be having D, F sharp and B in the right. All the way down to F sharp in the left, A sharp, E, F sharp and C sharp in the right. Returning to B in the left, B, D, F sharp and B in the right. And that concludes the B Melodic Minor Scale. Thanks for watching.